So hey everyone, in this series we are gonna learn how to create a Udemy course from scratch. So first of all, you must have an account and you must have completed all the requirements to become instructor on Udemy. Then you just log into Udemy and switch to instructor view and you'll see this window. And here downward you can see all the courses you have previously made, but as you have not made any course, so you just have to click the new course button. This is the course I have already made, that is why it is showing here. So just click on new course button. Now you'll be redirected to this window. Here you have to select whether you want to make a practice test or you want to make a video course. So practice test is actually a set of questions that you use to evaluate your students. That can be about any topic you have taught already or someone else have taught. On the other hand, video course is actually a series of videos in which you will be teaching a particular topic or any particular activity, or will be showing a skill or teaching something else. So I'll be showing you how to create a course first. So just create on video course and then click on the red continue button. So now you will be redirected to this window where you have to select the name of your course, actually the title of your course. So it must be catchy. You can choose any title, and if you don't have a title at the moment in your mind, then you can just write the name of the software and anything or any keyword and you can change it later. So I will be using Adobe Photoshop Basics title at the moment. So I just wrote it and just click continue. So in this page you have to select in which category your course actually falls. So you have a lot of categories down here when you click on choose a category button. So here first of all you have finance and accounting, which will be obviously related to financial knowledge and accounting. Next is development, that can be website development, and when you click on business, then you must be creating something related to business knowledge. IT and software will obviously have a computer software. Office productivity will be about boss and employee, etc. Personal development will be about your character development and interviewing skills, etc. In design, that can be about any crafting technique or other thing. In marketing, you will be telling or giving SEO knowledge. In lifestyle, it will be about your fashion. In photography and video, it will be about filming and direction and editing. When you go for health and fitness, it will be cardio, exercise and gym knowledge. In music, that is about beats production and vocals. In teaching and academics, that is about institutional knowledge or any undergraduate, postgraduate knowledge. And if you don't know in which category your course falls, you can go for I don't know yet. I'll be using IT and software because Adobe Photoshop is a software. So I'll just select that and now click continue. So now you have to select that how many hours you'll be working per week to create your course. This is not important to select. This is just to make goals for your course development. So you can select anything. Even you can say I haven't recorded it yet. I haven't decided it yet. Sorry. So I'll be selecting I'm very busy at the moment. And when you click create course, your course is actually now created and is present as a draft file or as a draft in your account. So here you have got this page and we will be discussing everything in the upcoming lectures. So don't forget to subscribe and check out me on social media. Thank you.